Types of neurons. Neurons are classified by structure and function. Classification by structure. Number 1 is unipolar, single process, extending from the cell body, common in invertebrates. Number 2 is bipolar neurons, one axon plus one dendrite, found in sensory organs, retina, olfactory epithelium, inner ear. Number 3 is multipolar neurons, one axon plus multiple dendrites, most common type in the CNS. Example, motor neurons, interneurons. Classification by function. Number 1 is sensory. Afferent neurons carry impulses from receptors to CNS. Example, pain, touch, temperature sensors. Number 2 is motor. Efferent neurons transmit impulses from CNS to muscles or glands, responsible for movement and secretion. Number 3 is interneurons. Association neurons connect sensory and motor neurons, found only in the CNS, involved in reflexes, learning, and memory.